Alright, got a 2020 Volvo XC60. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance reminder. You're going to end up using this minus button right here on the steering wheel. You're going to look at the cluster here, and you're going to be paying attention to an I symbol that's going to pop up here. Basically going to be using the start engine stop button here, okay? The first step is to make sure you have all the doors and hood, everything's closed. We're going to go ahead and turn the car off. It's running right now. We're going to turn it off. We're going to go to the start stop right here, and we're going to turn this thing one time without my foot on the brake, without starting the car. It's in like an accessory mode right now. The gauge lights up, and the radio is actually lit up. Now we're going to press and hold down the minus button, and then after that we're actually going to start the car up, and we're going to be paying attention for an I symbol to pop up on the cluster here. And as soon as it does, we are going to let go of the minus sign, and it will reset the maintenance reminder. So to start the car, I got to kind of put the camera down, so just bear with me. All right, it's started up, and I'm just waiting for that I symbol to pop up. And it might take a few seconds. Just keep holding. And you're going to let go as soon as you see it. Got to be fast, and it says maintenance reminder reset, and that is it.